Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a very small tutorial on how I remove my makeup and take care of my skin. It is also a video primarily reviewing some new products that I've got lately. So I'm going to quickly run you through the products that I've got, and I've been using it, so this is not a first impression video. I've used it before, and because I like them so much, I've decided to do a video around it. So this will be more like a makeup removal slash your nightly skincare routine slash reviewing certain new products. So if you are interested, stay tuned and watch till the end. So the new products that I got are, one is from Face Shop. It is this Rice Water Bright. It's a mild cleansing water, so it removes makeup, but it is not like, it wouldn't remove makeup to a point where it's squeaky clean. It's mostly a toner, and also it brightens your skin almost immediately. So this is a new product. As you can see, I've already used quite a bit and I love it, and I'm going to use it and show it to you. Another products that I've got is from this brand called MOLY. And there are three products that I've got from MOLY. There are these cute little packaged things called egg pore. One is a Blackhead steam head balm, as you can see, and the second one is a tightening cooling pack. And this is also by MOLY. This is the chok green tea watery skin. What this does is hydrates and contains the moisture of your skin. So I'm going to use this as well. It is brilliant. Let me tell you, all these products I've been using and I love them. That's why they even feature in my video today. So I've been very happy with it. So as I go, I'm going to explain what I'm doing. First, I'm going to remove my makeup using the Rice Water Bright by the Face Shop. Then I'm going to take two different cotton pads and I'm going to put it on both the cotton pads. Then I'm going to place it on my eyes and leave it for a few seconds for all the makeup to kind of dissolve into the remover. Wow, one swipe and it's gone. Look at this. I'll remove all my makeup using this. I'm going to wash my face using this simple face wash. It's a UK brand and this is called the Moisturizing face wash. It's 100% soap free and it is excellent for sensitive skin type. So if you are a sensitive skin type person, this would be a great face wash for you. I'm going to wash my face right now. I may just have to go and wash my face, but anyway, I'll just show it to you. I'm going to use both these masks at the same time. I'll show you how. First, I'm going to use the Blackhead Steam Balm. So the Blackhead one, I'm only going to use on my nose area. And let me tell you, it feels really warm. Maybe because, I don't know why it feels warm, but maybe that helps you loosen the blackheads. Yes, my baba. And then I'm going to use the tightening cooling pack, and this one I'm going to use on the rest of my face. The tightening cooling pack helps tighten the skin and reduce the appearance of pores. That is why I usually put it around my all across my face, and also in this area where the visibility of pores is too much. But the Blackhead Bomb I restricted to my nose area, although I don't have blackheads, but it generally helps you get rid of whiteheads as well. So I just have whiteheads on my nose and nowhere else on my face. So usually I just apply it on my nose, and the tightening cooling pack, I applied it on the rest of my skin. So I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes and I'm going to wash my face and get back. As you can see, I washed my face now and it is absolutely squeaky clean. There's nothing on my face. Now I'm going to use the chok green tea watery skin. What I'm going to do is take it on a cotton pad and just swipe it across my face. This helps you restore the moisture and hydrates your skin. I'm going to let this dry for a couple of minutes. I'm going to use my Olay moisturizer. I've been using it for a very long time. It's called the Regenrist micro-sculpting cream. I'm going to take a little bit on my hands. Lastly, I'm going to use my serum. This is by Loccitane. It's called the Immortal Reset Night Serum. Massage it nicely into your skin so that it absorbs all the goodness. That was my nightly ritual. I don't do the mask every day, but I do the other things more or less in the same order. I hope you liked today's video and it was helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you thought it was helpful. Anything you'd like me to make a video on, definitely do leave your feedback in the comment section. Also share it with your friends if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you really soon. Bye guys.